so excited. Yes. And yeah, sorry, your teddy bears. Yes, got a hole in it. Okay, let's go to the next teddy bear right here. This is the Mike teddy bear. Don't give it a stuffing in your hand. Give it the box, Mikey. This is great. The winner of the other teddy bear is Alan Furman. Alan Furman. Alan, come this way, Alan. Alan wins a teddy bear. You know what? There's a guy upstairs in the Effie store. His name is Richard. Look at you go. Oh, yes. And Richard was making fun of the way I spoke.
Now Grand Cayman is only 76 square miles overall, not a big island. Between our three islands, we only have 100 square miles. Off your right, all the way down there is the northwest point of Grand Cayman. Now, have you folks heard of the 7 Mile Beach? I'm pretty sure you have. The 7 Mile Beach begins just a ways beyond the first point where the tall trees are, and it runs all the way to that other point over there. But we won't be telling you any more about the 7 Mile Beach. We're going there. You're going to get to see that firsthand. It is on every brochure we put out there, so I'm pretty sure you heard of it. Today you're going to get to see it. But look over the sides out here, and you will see how clear our waters are around the Cayman Islands. And I tell you, sometimes even a lot clearer than this. We just had a bad weather go through here, and that tropical storm passed us north of us, I'm confused. It passed south of us, north of the Bay Islands of Honduras. But yeah, that's sort of the ocean floor a bit. Sometimes a lot clearer. Sometimes when you look out there, you can even see cell phones along the ocean floor, the ones from yesterday. Hold on to yours. I don't want to see yours tomorrow out there. Now, the reason for the clear waters around Grand Cayman is because of the fact that we have no mountains. They're only about 8 inches from 6 inches of long length. They live in shallow reef areas like this where they can hide quickly in case a predator come around because they're afraid for any other larger fish. Now, speaking of predators, some of you folks may have wondered, are there any sharks in the Cayman Islands? Well, there's not a lot of sharks in our water. We have quite a few sharks around Cayman, but they hang out at the nightclub. Gold chain and big Rolex, you probably heard about those. You probably have them where you came from too. I'm kidding, folks. Occasionally we do see a shark around here.
Yes, walk them up.